This is so you can't screw this up. Come on over with me. So, once you pull out the stands, separate the legs, place them where you want. You want them to be as wide as you can possibly get to fill the sound of the room. Break off the speakers, put them on the stand. Then, what you want to do is once you have that hooked up, take out these components, they're in here, onto the floor. One wire goes here and into the back, either left or right. Another wire goes here and into the back side of the unit. All right, then you take the plug that it came with, place it in there. Speakers, plug, right there. Close the door, set it aside. Take this cable, get this ready, because this plug will go into where it says stereo input. This part goes into the computer. Pause that for a second. Once you have that ready, plug this into the wall, plug this into here, set this aside. Now this is the component for his earpiece, or his microphone. This goes just like so. Undo this, plug this into the back, plug this into the jack here. Then you go from here and take this audio cable and unwind it. Plug this into, plug this into right there. 1, 2, or 3. I always use 3 for some reason, I don't know why. Take the other end, plug it into here. There's the audio setup for the mic and the speakers. Now, you will then turn this on. Turn this little guy on and do a sound check. Check the room. You gotta be careful when you turn this up. When you turn this up and turn this up at the same time, you're gonna get a lot of a squealing effect. So keep this low at first, turn this up to about 2/3 of the way, adjust this as needed. These are the 2 knobs that you will play with to get the sound right and not have a squeak when you go by the speakers. Whenever you turn this on, you want to walk by and make sure you're not getting a squeak. That does that. Next, out of this case, we have the screen. Extend this, and then pull this lever to extend the legs, flip it over, and then the buttons back here, release, and there's your screen. Once that's all set up, we'll come over here. Take this out, and get that plugged in. All right, good. Pause it there. Next, you'll find in the bag located there the VGA cable. And undo it. What you'll do is then plug this little guy that goes in the computer. You want to plug these 2 together. This goes into the Thunderbolt port on the side of Dr. H's computer. The other end, once you are comfortable with the length, the other end comes over here, the back projector, and then you plug that in. Once you have that together, hit the power button, hold it for a second. If it doesn't come on right away, you hit the power again. This will light up orange and then green. Projector will light up. These will adjust the pictures. If you pull the chair back, you can make the picture wider on the screen. Go ahead, pause it. In the event that you can't get the picture, don't worry. Eventually, once that is hooked into the computer, it will turn on. Go onto the laptop, you'll click on the lecture, make sure that that works, and then click on the video for the lecture, which will be down on the left-hand side of the screen. And about 1:30 or 6 o'clock, respectively, you will then hit play on the video as everybody is coming in. And that is basically it. You have all of your connections here. Now, if there is an issue, you can go to Tracy, and you can just take all the stuff and break it back down, and she can take the cables and put them in the bag, and we can sort through them when I get back. What I'm gonna do here, shut it down, close this, and then flip this over, drop the legs on the inside. There is a button right here on the side that will drop the legs, just like so, and you place it right back inside the case, and you're good. From that point, you just begin disassembling wires. Best thing to do. All you do is you unattach all these cables, separate them. You have your power cable that you can sit over here. Then you have your audio cable that you will then throw over this way. Your audio lines that you will then wind up. Once wound up, you open this door, put the cables inside, close the door, take the speakers off the rack, put this in here like so, lock both sides up. And then from there, if you have to take the wires and put them in that green bag that's over there, you can easily do that. We can sort through it next week. Then following that, all devices go back into their respective cases. This is for the projector. This is for his microphone. His clicker is inside of the computer case. And you just take and put the receiver back inside this box, clean up the rest of the stuff, and go. Shouldn't be any problems. You'll be okay. Alright, stop.